space station dream, and I want you to be my queen.
Just giving you guys an update. What I like to do is I like to literally sit here and figure out ways how to get money, how to generate income. So I have a trailer that's, I use when I buy cars or when I pick up cars or whatnot, and it's sitting around. So something gave me the idea to rent it out. If U-Haul could do it, why can't I do it? So basically what I ended up doing was I posted an ad on Facebook, and I says, $30 for the day. If you bring it back the same day, if it's overnight, it's gonna be $40. Let me show you guys real quick. So here goes my trailer. All the wiring works. It's got brand new tires. I just bought these ratchet straps today. Just so it could be nice. But I already got a guy coming right now. He's coming and he's gonna rent it for $30 for 1 hour, and he's gonna bring it back. And what I'll do is I'll have him sign like a what's called a loaner agreement, and take a copy of his driver's license, and just basically give him a quick rundown how to use it, just so he could be familiar with it. But if you guys have trailers or anything kicking around, this is a great way. I'm gonna show you guys when he pulls up exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, let me show you guys a quick video of the shop. You guys probably never seen it. Hold up. All right, so here's the shop. Keep used batteries, cleaning supplies. This is the detail supplies. That's where the cold beer go at. Tools, obviously. Got the lift, the stoplight up there. Basically the shop. You guys can see. Put this down. Put this back where it belongs. Alright guys, so I guess the guy that wants to rent it is here right now. Unfortunately, because of the location, it's very hard to figure it out where you're at. So I gotta walk towards him, see if he can find me. There he goes in the blue Durango. He'll be showing up right now. How's it going, boss? How's it going? How you doing, boss? I figure I'd walk up here to show you, because some people just,
Yeah.
All right, so let's go over here. That's a good thing. He's got a little hitch. He's got everything set up for us, so that's what's up. Look like he's probably used one of these before. Right there. It's right over here. So he's backing up the Durango right now. Got the license plate just in case. Waving them in. That's about good. You've used one of these before, right? It's real.
Not me, but yeah, we're right. Yeah.
It's real easy.
Yeah.
So basically, this little lever pin right here, a drop the where you ride on.
My mechanics do all that stuff. Yeah.
Oh, so you have a.
Awesome, yeah.
Oh, so you're
I get
good.
the straps with them too.
Yeah, they're in there.
Awesome.
Get the straps.
Thank you so much.
No problem. So you're gonna bring it back in an hour, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you towing?
I own 30 cars, so
Oh shit.
I always gotta fucking shuffle them and do whatever. Is that the right ball?
I don't know. Alrighty, so just to, protect this information, I folded the paperwork in half. But that's basically what I did. I took a copy of his driver's license and basically had him fill out a loaner agreement and a copy of his insurance just so I could back myself up. Another thing I wanted to show you guys was this right here. So because of the ridiculous response I got on this, I was getting literally like 1,000 views in like literally less than an hour. It was ridiculous, and people responded thinking they was gonna buy a dolly for $30 or $40, And I want to show you guys that selling. So what I ended up doing, just so I could save money and time, I did it like this. All right, for rent only. I updated the picture just so people could see. That way there's no miscommunications. Now anybody that comes is going to know it's for rent. It's going to be $30 within the same day, $40 overnight. So that's it, guys. That's basically a breakdown how you can make money with your trailer. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, subscribe, and you'll get more videos from me soon. Thank you and have a blessed day. Peace out.
Railway station dream, and I want you to be my queen.